Hey there, fellow travelers and Chase enthusiasts. If you're a proud owner of a Chase Sapphire card, you're probably always on the lookout for ways to make your life easier. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to enroll in Chase Sapphire autopay. This nifty feature automatically pays your credit card bill from your linked bank account, helping you avoid late fees and keep your rewards game strong. It's a total game changer for busy folks like us. First things first, why should you bother with autopay? Well, it saves time, reduces stress, and ensures your payments are always on time, which means you protect your credit score and keep earning those sweet travel points. Let's dive right into the steps so you can get set up in no time. Step 1. Grab your phone, tablet, or computer and head over to the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. It's quick and secure. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the Credit Cards section. You might find this on the dashboard or under the Accounts tab. Look for your Chase Sapphire card, it should be listed there. Step 3. Now, find the Autopay or Payment Settings option. This is usually under the card details or billing information. Click on it to open the setup page. Step 4. You'll need to link a bank account. Select Add a bank account and follow the prompts to enter your bank's details. Chase uses secure methods like verifying small deposits, so don't worry about safety. Step 5. Choose your payment preferences. Decide if you want to pay the full balance, a minimum amount, or a custom figure each month. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Step 6. Hit that Enroll or Activate Autopay button and confirm with any required verification. You're all set. Your first autopay should kick in on your next due date. One quick tip. Always review your account settings periodically and ensure your linked bank has sufficient funds to avoid any hiccups. There you have it. That's how you enroll in Chase Sapphire autopay. It's straightforward and will free up your time for what really matters, like planning your next adventure. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels and happy paying.